Okay guys, let me give you a quick garage tour here, what I got going on. And I just recently insulated my garage door. Here's another sign here. I've got it all glued together. And I've got it stained with mini wax. That'll be ready for another sign that I want to make. Let me give you a tour. It needs a lot of work, a lot of straightening up, but I've thrown out a lot of stuff. And here I got my Comgrow Z1 laser. I got their little CNC machine there. Here's my NP CNC that I built. Camera currently taping it because I was just on StreamYard streaming. The sign that I'm currently carving is coming out real nice. And most of the debris has been kicked to the rear of the printer, or the machine. That's nice. And let's see, here's just one of those shelves where everybody throws stuff on it. They don't want to throw it away, but they don't know where to put it. And here's a sign that I'm making right here. This one I carved pretty deep, so I'm doing another one just like this right now that won't be quite as deep. And if it comes out the way I expect it to come out, I'll go ahead and I'll make a second one, and I'll put it up on my Etsy store. And coming around here, we've got a hot water heater. Yep, everybody has one of those. And here's my streaming setup that I have in the garage. And I was live streaming, and there's StreamYard up there where I was live streaming. And of course the mic was muted. And there's my candle, the program that's running the CNC right now. And all the light areas is what is already done, and all the dark areas is what is currently carving. If you look right there at the top above the M and the E, you'll see the tool path where it's currently cutting. And as it finishes an area, then it goes a really light gray. So it's over halfway done. So it's doing well. And I'm monitoring, I got StreamYard running, and I'm monitoring that in the house. That way it's not left unattended. And then I've got all kinds of power cords and junk everywhere, so a lot of straightening up to do. So this just kind of gives you an idea of what I got for my, oh yeah, and I used to store stuff up there. I put that ladder in back in the day. I've been in this house for like 22, 23 years. And I used to store a lot of stuff up there. It's currently empty. And I got a shop vac from Home Depot, and I got my Harbor Freight Cyclone, and my chop saw that I love, my miter saw, works great, and my table saw over there underneath, and I got a little rotor, my little router table I've never used, but I got that over there, and all kinds of junk hanging up and stuff down below. And I've got a shed. There's a door over there goes out to my side property, and I got a shed out in the back where I store a lot of stuff also. Yeah, that's just kind of a rundown of Jerry's garage. So thanks for watching, everybody. Ciao. Or later. Liam says ciao, I say later. Bye.